This is the cold start on the Mustang. It runs now. I haven't made a video in forever. It ended up starting like October 15th. It's now January 8th. I haven't made a video in a while on the Mustang, and so I thought I'd make an update video. Ended up the video that I had edited down and tried to post of the first start. It was too long and I didn't want to cut out too much because I thought there was a lot of important parts. And so I'll just make a quick little video right now. Brake lines are supposed to be coming tomorrow along with a few other things. The car does run and I can put it in gear. And so I know the transmission, the rear end, everything's good. Just needs brakes now. So that's what I've been doing. This one's almost done, and then all three other wheels are done. And I just took this out and sanded it because it got really rusty. So then I coated it in PB Blaster. Got to put that back in soon. The interior is done. Oh, well, I have that door lock out to get a key made, but I got these dice for Christmas. Everything is in pretty good condition. I put all that together. I put the carpet in, I put all the trim panels, the seats, everything a while ago. I guess I could start it. I don't want to run it too long because it's inside. So right now it's still on the Y pipe with the cherry bomb, just until I have enough money to do an actual exhaust. And it's really cold out, so this is a cold start. All right. Sounds good for how cheap that was. What's left is just brakes. I need to get this taillight working, and the turn signals, and the horns, and then and get a key, and then it should be done. I'll try and post that other video that I had edited. It was just, YouTube stops it if it's over 15 minutes. And so that video was over 15 minutes, and I didn't want to make a part 2 because I feel like I'd lose a ton of views after that. I got this fender gripper for Christmas, Ford logo. And I don't want to run this too much in the garage without ventilation, because I can already smell it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like, and follow me on Instagram. See ya.